Aspettate, colorine asse mandara Madure parra meddi sinafan Dessa man belli vecka raikin Mege mege hui Aspettate, colorine asse mandara Madure parra meddi sinafan
Protection in the bigger boundary. Quick outfield, that's a beautiful shot. Wonderful execution. Short drop jab. McNair at mid-on, he can't hold it in. Oh, it's been a little bit sloppy. And this misfield about it. Fielder. Oh, lovely timing. Beautiful hands, silky. Turpin for foot. Ballers catching. Ballers catching McCarthy. Aaron McCarthy backtracking and all of a sudden the wheels are coming.
But nowhere near the ball. If he cut the right angle here, he would have swallowed this.
Beautiful hands. Well, he can't close it. Underway. Leg side. Beautiful batting and a wonderful half century. Gonzalo Mendes
Had not have got those wickets, but he's looked at the gap, he's seen it through.